I discovered the easiest and best way to make spaghetti jollof with some sausage and vegetable. Trust me, this recipe is simple, quick and perfect for both family meals and parties. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Now, without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's start cooking. Now let's prepare the spaghetti. So in a pot, I'll go in with some clean water, and once that is done, I'll also go in with a little bit of oil. You can also add a little bit of salt and you are good to go, but the oil is just perfect. The oil is going to help prevent the spaghetti from sticking together. After about 5 minutes, the water is ready and hot, so all that is left is for us to add in the spaghetti and allow it to cook until it's nice and tender. But make sure also not to overcook it because it will cook again later with the stew. So kindly check on it from time to time. Approximately 5 minutes should be okay. Now I'll also go in with some noodle spice, which is totally optional, but trust me, it's going to add amazing taste to this spaghetti. Now here is also a little tip: stir the spaghetti every few minutes while it boils so that the strands don't clump together. Once it's ready, I'll drain out the water and set the spaghetti aside. But don't forget as well to go in with some cold water to stop the cooking process. Now drain out the water as I said, and we're also going to sprinkle a little bit of cooking oil to it, which will also help the strands come out very good. Alright, so now let's stir everything once again, and we're going to set this aside. At this point, I know you are still with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now let's go ahead and fry some sausages for this recipe. So in a pan, I'll go in with a little bit of cooking oil and I'll add in my chopped sausages. You can also feel free to use any protein of your choice and you are good to go. Next, we're going to go in with some aromatic chicken seasoning. This seasoning is definitely going to add a savory or meaty taste that makes the sausages stand out and also ties the whole dish together since we are mixing them into the spaghetti jollof. Now let's stir everything together very nicely and allow it to fry on medium heat until it becomes very crispy. Kindly also make sure to check it from time to time. At this point, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. Now, I already have my Zongo stew ready. If you haven't watched that recipe yet, kindly check it out on my channel. The stew is rich, flavorful, and is perfect base for a spaghetti jollof. Using leftover stew for spaghetti jollof is a good tip because it saves time and prevents food waste. Now the oil in the stew was a little bit small for me, so I needed to add in just a little bit of cooking oil. You can also use any oil of your choice. Let's stir everything together very nicely. Cover it on low medium heat and allow it to steam a little bit for about 1 to 2 minutes. We are back. Our stew is doing amazingly well, and so all that is left is for me to go in with a little bit of water because I realized the stew was very thick, and so let's add in the water. So after adding in the water, I realized the taste of the stew has also reduced a little bit, so I needed to go in with some aromatic stew seasoning powder, which will elevate the taste of this stew very well. Aroma spice is the best spice in the market right now, so grab yours now and thank me later. Now we're going to stir everything together very nicely, cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, this is how the stew looks like. As you can see, it's very rich in color and it smells amazing right here. Now let's add some freshness and color. So I'll go in with some vegetables. I used carrots, green bell peppers and onions. Feel free to use any vegetables of your choice and you are good to go. I will stir everything properly and allow it to steam or cook on low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I don't love to overcook my veggies, so if you're like me, kindly keep an eye on it so that your veggies will stay crunchy and keep their nutrients intact. Okay, now the base is looking absolutely perfect and delicious. All that is left right now is for us to go in with our cooked spaghetti. Don't forget as well to add in your fried sausages as well. And there's some meat in the stew base already, so you can omit the sausages if you have some in the stew base, but if you don't have, kindly feel free to use any protein of your choice and you are good to go. Now let's use 2 ladle spoon or fork to toast the spaghetti gently, making sure every strand is well coated with the stew. Don't rush this part, take your time so the spaghetti absorbs all that goodness. And after stirring everything together, we're going to proceed to our next stage. The aroma at this point is just amazing. The smokiness of the Zongo stew, the juiciness of the sausages, and the sweetness of the veggies all coming together in one pot. Trust me, this looks so good and it tastes amazing. Do trust the process and you're going to love it. Now let's allow it to simmer for just a few more minutes, then it should be ready to be served. And there you have it, rich, spicy and colorful spaghetti jollof with sausage and vegetables. You can serve it just as it is or pair it with some salad, fried chicken or even boiled eggs. It is a versatile dish that works for both lunch and dinner. So that is it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious meals from my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching and see you next on Cooking with Efya. Bye.